Graham Thistlethwaite was a man of discerning tastes, particularly when it came to audio fidelity. He didn't just listen to music, he inhabited it. Every cable in his setup was oxygen-free copper, his turntable floated on a magnetic cushion, and his preamp was so precise it could reproduce the sound of a moth blinking. But Graham was unsatisfied. Despite spending more on speakers than his wife's engagement ring, he was haunted by the knowledge that there was always a limit, some petty ceiling to the sonic perfection he pursued. Then one night, in the deepest corner of the audiophile internet, Graham stumbled upon a post titled "True Infinite Output, No Heat, No Harm, No Limits." It linked to a dusty PDF, supposedly translated from a long-lost civilization, that had perfected power generation. According to the footnotes, the energy source didn't just exceed modern tech, it bypassed it entirely, converting mere thought into limitless electrical output. "Perfect," said Graham, and ordered a custom housing unit for it with brushed aluminium panels. Installation was simple enough. He mounted the core, an oblong crystal orb with a slight hum, into his power rig and wired it through his entire audio chain. The moment he powered up, the lights in the neighbourhood dimmed, then stabilised. The room filled with sound so rich it felt like melted mahogany. But something odd happened. The system never powered down. Even when switched off, the orb pulsed faintly, as if listening. Soon the music began playing without input, tracks Graham hadn't cued, and some he swore didn't exist, emerged from the speakers. Then the songs grew stranger. His childhood dog barking, the school bell from year 5, his mother's lullaby, distorted and swelling with sub-bass. It was his subconscious, amplified. Eventually the system blared insults he never voiced, grudges he buried and fears he forgot. The sheer psychological noise became deafening. He tried switching it off, unplugging it, submerging it in water, but nothing could stop the sound resonating inside his head. But one day everything fell silent. Authorities found him curled beneath a coffee table, whispering flat frequency response over and over. The system still surfaces now and then, usually on eBay, listed by someone who thought they could handle it but couldn't. Then the cycle starts again. As for Graham, he's now a harmonica busker in Penzance.